In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove background from a video in CapCut and change a video background. I'll be showing you a few methods. Start by dragging your clip onto the timeline. Head up to the top right and select Video, then Remove BG. Enable the Auto Removal option, then wait for the process to finish. Adjust the Feather and Expand settings to refine the background removal. Feather will add a blur to the edges, while increasing the Expand option will make the mask around your subject bigger. If you want to make the mask smaller, then reduce the Expand option. Alternatively, you can use the Custom Removal tool. Select either the Smart Brush or Normal Brush if you don't have Pro. Click and paint over your subject. The Smart Brush won't require as much work. You can also use the Erase tools to fix any mistakes you make. Try making the selection as close to perfect as possible, then wait for the process to complete. Click the Apply button and your background will be removed. Adjust the Feather and Expand settings to refine your selection. The final option is to use Chroma Key. Enable Chroma Key, then select your background. This will work best if your subject is on a single color background. Adjust the settings once again. I typically like to set intensity to around 8 with a slight feather and clean up edge set to 2 or 3. Now you will notice that the green from my clip is gone, but the rest of the background is still here. To fix this, make sure your clip is selected, then click the Crop Ratio button on the toolbar. Drag in the sides to remove anything you don't want, then go down and click Confirm. Adjust the scale and position if needed. Drag the new background into the timeline. Take the video you removed the background on and drag it above the new background layer on the timeline. You now know how to remove background and change background in CapCut. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.